Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, the storm of 2026 already here for us. Only a couple weeks into the year, and we've got a shutdown type of snowstorm coming our way. Ice, heavy snow, sleet, all a part of that forecast as well as we move into this weekend. We're talking about some significant totals popping up for us. Ice accumulations that could cause some problems as well. And then once it all wraps up, we're talking about a week or longer of below freezing temperatures across the board with some overnight lows, single digits, wind chills well below zero. Here is the winter alerts map for the country right now. You can see a good 2/3 of the lower 48 impacted by this storm as it's coming in, and all the areas highlighted in purple and pink. The areas expecting to see ice and snow. Still a little time for the areas in the lighter blue, that teal color. That's the watch for the winter storm. We'll see those get upgraded as the rest of tomorrow goes on. In the Midwest, they might not be seeing much precipitation, but they're going to get very, very cold temperatures, air temperatures well below zero. We're not going to be seeing anything too crazy like that in terms of our temperatures. What we are going to be really focusing on is how this snow and sleet and maybe even freezing rain could impact you this weekend. Winter storm warning Saturday morning to Monday morning. That warning in effect for everybody here in the Fox 56 viewing area. We have a high impact road situation with heavy snow, making it at times possibly unable to even travel some of the roads. Hard to keep up with the road crews out there when we have a couple inches of snow per hour possible in some of the heaviest periods of this system. The cold that settles in, also a major concern for us as we get into our lower end things here in the medium category. Ice and power outages are going to be two things to watch for as we go forward with this system. Talking about timing, we're going to break it up into a couple of parts. Saturday, mostly snow. Heavy snowfall at times. The tricky part of this forecast comes in overnight Saturday and into Sunday. When warmer air starts to work in, you're looking at snow and some ice in the overnight. By Sunday morning, snow, sleet, freezing rain, and maybe for some, all rain as warmer air noses in. That turns back to snow as we go into Sunday night through Monday morning and maybe even a little bit longer. In terms of what you're going to see at your house as we go through this weekend, if you're north of I-64 and the Bluegrass Parkways here, you're likely only going to see snow as of this forecast. In the central part of the state, from say Lexington to our southern parkways, sleet and snow likely for us. Further south than there, and yes, there's a little tilt to this, but snow, sleet, and maybe even that freezing rain problem that we could be having as we get into southern and eastern Kentucky as we get in towards our Sunday morning. So we're going to put it on here in the Futurecast for you so you can see what that looks like as well. Timing it out. A lot of models agree on this outcome here in terms of starting as snow, all day Saturday snow. Darker blue means heavier snow. Banding takes place, some better bands of snow within that as we go through. Now we get into the overnight, you start to see the warmer air working its way up. Southern Kentucky from Bowling Green, Harlan, we've got pinks, which means the ice has begun. It continues to expand northward as we get into the middle of the day. As that takes place, even that nose, this is the nose of warm air right here, where it goes from ice to all rain. That's going to be a chance for freezing rain because surface temperatures, even under the cloud cover that might be warmer, are likely to be near or below freezing. Heavier snow north of that where everything is below freezing across the board. By the time we get into Sunday night, again, back to snow it goes, and the lingering effects of that snow linger into Monday, especially into eastern Kentucky. First call snowfall, 10 to 14 plus across the northern tier, 6 to 10 in the middle. 3 to 6 south of that, and then maybe a little bit less, all depending upon the ice potential. This is the biggest confidence zone that we're going to be watching for to see how the impact of where that warm nose comes in could change it. I do think somewhere right across northern or central Kentucky is where the hammer's going to get put down. In terms of ice accumulation, we're talking about in those zones that get it for a little bit longer on Sunday morning, 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 or greater across far southeastern Kentucky. Now, snow and then ice and then turning back to snow on top of it leads to all the same problems we would have, but at least on the roadways that might do a little bit to relieve the opportunity for it to just be sheer ice across it. We might be able to dig it up at that point if it's attached to the snow. As long as we go into next week with the cold temperatures digging in, that Arctic air will continue, and you'll see it here as we get into your 7-day forecast. All of next week below freezing. We got overnight lows approaching zero, especially on Tuesday morning. Wind chills well below that. and not to add insult to injury, but maybe some more snow mid to late next week.